robots with superhuman abilities, holograms that replace human beings. Movies of novels abound with scary versions of artificial intelligence and other technological innovation. But for the first time in history, those dreams and fears are tangible. Self-driving cars, facial recognition, and virtual assistants are already a ubiquitous reality. Understanding the human-machine partnership and how we can make it beneficial for us is more urgent than ever. The impact AI will have on the job market, the roles machines will perform in society, and the areas humans will continue to dominate. Why Google's employees were worried that their technology might be used to kill combatants, how your company can become as successful as Disney, and why emotional skills will be among the most valuable ones for the job market of the future. Throughout history, working with tools has almost always improved our lives. Think back to the cave dwellers. The firestones that enabled them to light up and warm up their humble abodes at night radically changed their lives for the better. Fireplaces became social gathering places and brought people together. Other tools like spears and shovels allowed our prehistoric ancestors to hunt and farm. Ever since these early days of our species, we've continued to invent tools that make our lives better. Often, they work by making us more efficient at accomplishing our goals. That's especially been true of our machines. For example, trains enabled us to commute comfortably between home and work, and telephones allowed us to connect with colleagues across the globe. The ability of our tools and machines to make us more efficient continues to the present. It's especially true since the advent of advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence. Moorfields Eye Hospital in London, for example, partnered with University College London and Google's DeepMind to develop AI to diagnose eye diseases. Instead of tedious scans, doctors can now rely on a perfectly trained assistant, an algorithm. That's just one application of technology in medicine. Thousands more are probably being developed at this moment. Technology has a track record of making us better at what we do. That's the first reason to be optimistic about the ways in which it will impact the future. The second one is that tools have often made lives more worthwhile by enabling us to express ourselves as human beings. By nature, we are a creative species that thrives on new inventions and our ability to express feelings. We are a species with a to-do list coded within our DNA. We're constantly solving problems and thinking of more efficient ways to do so. Tools are our natural partners. Whether it's a paintbrush or a computer, tools help us to invent new things and express ourselves. As long as we stay human, there's little reason to believe that we'll stop coming up with new ideas. And for the foreseeable future, machines will help us turn them into reality.